All right, I want to show you a fan that gets a lot of good reviews and go over some of the features with you. This is the X-Power Mini Mighty. One of the things you'll notice right off, it's got 3 speeds on it. There's no assembly required. It comes fully assembled. Also on the side, you're going to have 2 electrical outlets over there, which is great with a circuit breaker. The other thing about these fans is you can tilt it back so it can be set flat, or you can tilt it up. It's made to be run that way. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, because one of the things I want you to hear is the noise level. So fans like this oftentimes might be used for drying out a room that's gotten wet, but I think that you can just use them just to straight move air to feel better if you want to. There goes number 2 power, and then up to 3rd power, which is significantly more. Again, not an oscillating fan, but if you're looking for directional wind, whether for personal comfort or to dry something out, this is putting out a lot of wind in one particular direction. Also find it to be very, very quiet for the amount of wind that it's putting out, and can be used like on a job site or something, you know, with the extra electrical outlets. So very convenient. This thing gets really good reviews. So I hope this video has been helpful in showing you some of the details.